Fermecraft is able to bring a whole lot of technology to that ferment process for Levantine Hill. We're able to monitor the temperatures in those ferment vessels. We're able to capture them digitally and transmit them to a processing system that's then able to track them, run a recipe for them. So they've got greater clarity, vision over the process of fermentation. One thing that Fermecraft is able to do for Levantine Hill is reference a number of other areas and devices within that winery. So Fermecraft is there obviously looking after the ferment vessels, but by the same token, we're there monitoring the humidity, we're monitoring the temperature in the barrel room, we're monitoring levels of water in the water tanks. We actually control fire sprinklers for bushfire. All of that comes together in the Fermecraft package. So not only are we using it for our standard ferment control, but through the modularity of the system, through the technology, we're able to adapt and connect to many other disconnected devices and bring them all together as one, and then store all the data from them in a classic Industry 4.0 solution. Fermecraft relies on a whole suite of Siemens technology, from the Comfort HMIs through the S7 1500 PLCs and right across their variable speed drive package. MindSphere enables Fermecraft to track batch data, vintage data, to enable winemakers to look back and be able to correlate the performance of those vintages with weather events, bushfires, extra rain. MindSphere is the only package available that can bring all those together and produce a report for winemakers so they can clearly see the environmental conditions compared to the ferment profiles of their particular vintage. This is an incredible installation to be a part of. This is an incredibly modern winery built with the latest and greatest of products right across, from the automation to the climate control to the award-winning architecture of the building. So to be a part of that, we're very humbled to be included in that list of esteemed suppliers. That winery will provide an opportunity for Fermecraft to learn even more about winemaking in order to assist Levantine Hill to keep growing their wine business, increasing their throughput of wine, and also making sure that the quality remains the same.